So students, after discussing different kinds of angles, that is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle, let us discuss some questions from your book exercise. The first question says, classify as acute, right, obtuse or straight angle. So in this first question, you have to classify whether the angle given to you is an acute, right angle, obtuse angle or straight angle. The first angle is of 60 degree. So what is 60 degree? What kind of angle is this? Yes, the angle measurement 60 degree is less than 90 degree. That means it is between 0 to 90. So yes, it is an acute angle. So what is our first angle? Acute angle. Second, 110 degree. It is more than 90 degree and less than 180. So it is an obtuse angle. What kind of angle? Obtuse angle. Third, 75 degree. 75 degree is again less than 90 degree. So yes, it is again an acute angle. Then 161 degree. Since 161 is more than 90 and less than 180, so what kind of angle is this? Obtuse angle. It is an obtuse angle. Coming to the next, 180 degree. 180 degree is a straight angle because its measure is exact 180. So it is a straight angle. Clear, students? Then 90 degree, and 90 degree is a right angle. What kind of angle is this? Right angle. So this is how you can classify the given angles on the basis of their measurement as acute, right, obtuse or straight angle. Coming to the second question, in which again you have to classify the following angles but without measuring. So without measurement, how we will come to know that what kind of angle is this? Yes, by its opening. If the opening is very small portion, then it is an acute angle. So here angle ABC is an acute angle. Why? Because the opening between the two rays, the two arms of the angle is very less. So it is an acute angle. What kind of angle is this? Here you can say there is a big opening between the two arms. So what kind of angle is this? It is an obtuse angle. Clear, students? Coming to this third part, as you can see, both the two arms are almost perpendicular to each other. That means they are at a right angle. So it is a right angle. Clear, students? So this is how you can easily identify an acute angle, obtuse angle or right angle on the basis of their figure only. There is no need of any protector or measurement required. Okay, students? In the third question, you have a figure is given to you. In the third question, a figure is given to you in which there are few angles drawn on a straight angle AOB, and what you have to do, you have to name very first 4 acute angles. So you have to write any 4 acute angles. What are acute angles? Acute angles less than 90 degree. So here as you can see, there are many acute angles, that means many small size angles, but you have to name any 4. So you can name them as per yourself. So here I am giving a name as angle AOE. Very first I am giving angle AOE. Then angle EOF, this second angle, angle EOF. Similarly, let's take one of the acute angle from this side. So that is angle BOG, and then I will take this angle or angle GOC. You can take some other angles also. They are also acute angles. You can name any of the 4 acute angle as per your convenience. Okay, students? Now coming to the second part, in which you have to write 4 obtuse angles. Obtuse angles whose measurement is more than 90 degree. That means the angle value greater than 90 degree. So if I talk about 4 obtuse angle, angle AOC. So this is our first obtuse angle, angle AOC. Then AOG, angle AOG, that is also an obtuse angle. Then taking the point B, BOF, angle BOF, and similarly one more angle, angle BOE, BOE. So these are the 4 obtuse angle in the given figure. You can have some more angles like angle EOG, that is also an obtuse angle. Okay students, so it's all up to you. You just have to write any of the 4 obtuse angles. In the third part, you have to write any 2 right angles. Right angle means the angle measurement exact of 90 degree. Clear students? So if we find 2 angles which are exactly of 90 degree, so you can find angle AOD and angle BOD. So the 2 right angles are angle AOD and angle BOD. So these are the 2 right angles in the given figure. Okay students, so with this we have discussed the questions from your book exercise. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.